Man. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay. Hey, what's up, man? I'm not sure. I am not sure. Hey, what's up, Alfred? What's up? Yeah, I was able to catch this bottom. I was able to catch this bottom, and so my original position started at around about 130. I was able to catch this initial pump, and then this follow through, and I was able to scale. No, so I was able to catch this initial pump. I saw it dump. I saw that it was about to go back. Oh crap! I missed it. Oh shit! I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Let me see if I can get this follow through, this add in. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. I was not paying attention. I think I can get this third scale in, and this will be my last trade on this account. But yeah, yeah, I was able to catch this. I just knew that from Friday, I was like, man, they ain't done. They're gonna continue to drop this, and every time I tell myself not to get into the market on Sunday, it always makes big moves Sunday. It always does, man. Yeah, yeah, definitely. And you said I just looked at your text. So you when you saw it, you just got up. You wasn't able to react. Yeah, I almost made the mistake. I saw it form up on the Nasdaq, and my chart was on the Nasdaq, and I was like, damn, how did ES move like that? And I was like, oh, this is the ES, so I can hurry up and get in on the on the Nasdaq. I can hurry to get on the ES. All right, baby. I think everybody's gonna be selling today, but you already know how this shit go. We know that this shit about to go back right back up. We know this. Yeah, I know, Alfred. I know. I've been waiting on this whole time, and they always come out when you say fine. It's like fine. Now I'm a bull now. I don't want to be a bear no more. That's when the bear's gonna come out. Yeah, everybody talking about Black Monday on Wall Street bets. So I was like, nah, today's gonna be green. I ain't falling for it. If everybody thinking it's gonna be a red day, which technically it started off red, but I don't think it's gonna finish red. I don't think so. Oh, let me look at the Nasdaq. At least on the ES, I think we can at least get back up to 230. We can at least get back up to 230 on the Nasdaq, and that's where I believe the bulls will probably fail to take it higher, and we can see the bears come back in for a possible move back down to like the 200 or something like that. That's my bias right now until the price action changes. But at least for the Nasdaq, yeah, I think we can get back up to at least 800 on the Nasdaq for sure, or close to it. No, 17,800. Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, we can at least get back up there. I'm pretty sure the Bulls can at least take it there. Yeah, it's VWAP on my chart too, but you can see right there, that's where they had that initial breakdown at like 820, 830-ish. And right now the Bears are trying to sell it because if you look on the higher time frame chart, you can see that once it broke down from that 820 level and retested 820, we had that break of structure right at around 640-ish, 640. But there's a neckline at 700, so that's why a lot of people are selling it right now. I mean, they could be successful here, but the way that the market just recovered kind of like that, I think the Bulls are going to be successful here, and the Bears are going to fail. That's my opinion. Oh shit, were you? Yeah, I mean, dude, yeah, the market is not allowed to go past a certain point before they stop it. So uh, that's why I think that we're going to probably get a retracement. Now, it doesn't matter how far it goes; it just can't go down a certain percentage in a straight move. As long as there's retracements, it can go down further. But if it goes down straight, then no, they're going to stop it. They're going to hold it. Yeah, yeah. That's why I was like, dude, we're at least getting back there. We're at least getting back to 800, and here we go, right here on the Nasdaq. We do this every day, baby. Day, every day we do this shit, man. But but how was your weekend though? Do anything fun? Did you? Are you? Were you going to school for cybersecurity? Take off one more. Hmm. You know it. You freaking know it, dude. You know that's what she does, man. Shit. Yeah. What would be wild is if we get a full retracement back up to these highs at almost what 18,000. That would be crazy, dude. That that would be freaking crazy if the market retests this high. And yeah, Alfred, I do see that gap. That was actually the first thing that I saw when I woke up this morning. I was like, yo, the Nasdaq has two gaps. It didn't even fill the first one. It's definitely going to fill this one for sure, but hmm. Hey, Smith, you don't have a stream up? Okay. Okay. Yeah, Alfred, yeah, he doesn't have it up. You keep feeling like you're not into it? Mm, yeah, I think that's probably the best thing too, dude. Yeah, 'cause I know we talked about it. And I know I said, I know you were saying that it was just kind of hard to readjust now that you were back. Yep. Yeah, yeah. I mean, as long. Oh, go ahead. My bad. Go ahead. Yeah. I mean, as long as you remember, the market can only go down. That's why I kind of hate one-way price action because when the market makes a big move in one direction, it's going to make that same move going back in the opposite direction. So being able to catch that pump on the way back up, and then there were clues. Once I kind of show you something when at the end of this move right here, but there were definitely clues that were going to pump. So like if you look at the Nasdaq chart, you see where it bounced at. You see where it bounced at 17,346. You saw that big move up to kind of counteract that big move down. Do you see that? And do you see what followed it? That big two-legged pullback back into support. That's when I knew that, yeah, this was actually going to bounce at that level and move higher. And if we see that type of price action on the Nasdaq, then I know that we'll get it on the ES. So for ES traders, something that I've learned is that if you look at the Nasdaq chart, if the Nasdaq ain't set up, the ES ain't about to get set up. I mean, that's something that I've continuously noticed. There are times where the ES will set up before the Nasdaq, but the ES will still wait on the Nasdaq to set up before the ES itself moves. So a kind of a cheat code is just look at the Nasdaq, see if it's set up, and if it's set up in the same way that the ES is set up, then you can take the same position. But if the Nasdaq is falling, then you know that the ES is going to fall. I'm going to protect this position. Actually, no. I'm going to just leave this right here. But this was a good trade. I think I made about 18. I made 2K to that thing. Let me look. Yeah, I'm up 2K right now. Perfect trading this morning. Perfect trading. Hmm. Yeah. Mm. Oh crap! I get my. Did it? Yeah. A lot of people talking about Japan for the longest, saying that it's been the way that I guess they have their market set up. Yeah, this is a 50K account. This is a 50K account. Alfred. That the way that they have their market set up is like one wrong move and their market crashes. One wrong move. So yeah, what happened Friday? Honestly, I don't know how I've gotten so comfortable to the point to where I don't even look at the news. Like on Friday, when we saw that big job miss, I didn't even look at the charts. I didn't look at it, or I didn't look at the outcome of the news. And I feel because of that, if I looked at the news this weekend, I was like, damn, I was sitting here trying to long something, not even understanding the context. We knew that if the job market was going to be, if it was not going to come in as expected, then people was going to sell. And I can't believe I let something so small. I missed something so freaking small like that. And I just don't know where I got so comfortable without even looking at the outcome of the news anymore. And so now it's like I'm gonna look at the news every time, regardless. because I felt like I missed a whole opportunity on Friday. And what the hell is happening? Did we? Let me look at that. What is that damn thing called? What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? That next stream. Hold on, the Nasdaq was 1,000 points down. Yo. Oh, I must have missed. I didn't even notice that. Yo. Yo. The fuck? 1,000 points down? Let me see how much points was on the ES because I didn't even count the points. I was just only focusing on the structure. I didn't even count it. Oh. Yeah, the ES is about 200 points down, just about 53.45. Yeah, 230 points down. Yeah, we're getting to at least 240. Yeah, I'm good in this position. We're at least touching that. We at least touching that. We touching this. Let me see. Where's that trap high at? 218. Yeah, they're trying to trap high right here. The bears are trying to trap high. Yo, hold on. So you say you caught that 350 point move down. Congratulations on that. Did you say that you lost half trying to catch the bottom? Yeah, they might try to trap high here, honestly. But I'm gonna hold off into this target. I'm not gonna. Uh, Let me look at this, yo. Yeah. Oh man. hmm Yeah, we're definitely going to at least 140, 150 on the NAS. We're going to 150. Well, probably 145 on the NAS. Mm. Yeah, because that's. Oh, go ahead. Dude, if they make this full retracement, bro, like, man, the market is, I mean, it's been a casino, but at this point, you just can't even, you can't call it nothing else. You can't call it nothing else. Is it? Hold on, y'all can't hear Smith? Hold on. You should be able to hear him. Oh shit. Oh, my bad, bro. My bad. My bad. Oh.
Dang, you got me muted the whole time.
Yeah, so this weekend I got something cooking for you guys, man. It's probably gonna take the whole month to complete. But I got something, I always got something to improve the channel. And I had to delete or not delete, I had to mute the desktop audio because it was pissing me off. My bad. Yeah, my bad. My
Hey, I
bad.
know how it be.
My bad. Uh, there we go. We got Smith in. We got Smith in the chat.
50-point Sherm on the ES.
Shit, I want to say I got more than 50 points. Like I said, actually, I'm up 80 points, or at least I should be, because my real entry started here at 130. Shit. Technical difficulties are bullish. No seeing look. Man, I'm about to move this shit up, man. I'm just gonna just trail this thing, man. Once it gets past, I'm a trail. I'm a trail, because this thing looks like it's just gonna keep on trucking. It's gonna keep on trucking. Now, let me look at the thing real quick. Yeah, this actually might get to, it might get to 250 on the ES, but if we touch VWAP and I see a big rejection, we'll see.
So I don't know. I got an email from Take Profit
Mm-hmm.
talking about limit up or limit down the policies and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Basically saying that, it wouldn't count. Wouldn't count even if your orders get filled, their limit up, limit down policy. Because I think if the market's down over 5% is that number,
Mm-hmm.
and if it's up or down 5%, then it goes into this, I guess what they call limit up, limit down, and I guess it makes it like harder for orders to get filled.
Mm-hmm.
Price should be jumping all over the place, but they were saying that basically if you take a trade, even if you get filled, it basically won't count, and the profits are
Really?
voided. Yeah, I don't know if any other prop firms.
I'm pretty sure they have some policy like that. It wouldn't yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. But what was I gonna say? I guess whatever. Okay, man. I'm not. That's a failure. That's a failure right there. That's a fail. They failed. Bulls failed. You said that super liquidity right here. Bulls failed, so we might get that moved. Bulls.
Take your profit.
Ain't my target. Ain't hit my target yet. I think we can get much higher, man.
MFF wouldn't let you take a trade on the funded. Only in the evals, of course. In the evals, blow up.
Hold on. So, Alfred, it didn't allow you to take a trade. Like, what happened? Did you get an error message, or what happened? These prop firms, like, dude, if anybody caught that 1,000 point move on the Nasdaq, these prop firms wouldn't be able to. Nobody wouldn't be able to.
They'd probably find a way to invalidate it, because when I looked at the market open, we were already down. It opened up down 200 points.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, yo. It's like 200. Let me look at the daily.
All right, we got the algo coming out in 5 minutes. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna give this position as much room to run as possible. At least I got my 10 points. Yeah. I was hoping that it got the VWAP, but no, I think the market is gonna continue to buy until we get the VWAP, man. I mean, VWAP being so close, or at least to this swing high up here, at least to 260. Well, at least not on the ES, but the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq seems like it can still have some more room for upside. Yeah, that was a doji candle on the 60K chart. Yeah, we might actually be seeing a retracement now.
The lowest we got was back in April after that historic crazy pump run up. The lowest pullback or retracement was 17,113 back in April. And then we continued the pump up higher after that. Now looks like, yeah, the downtrend started like July 11th. The downtrend started. And this 458 point move down July 11th. 17th, we had that 600 point move down. Yeah, we just been pulling back ever since, filling gaps. And we had that 700 point move down. 24th, man, July has been, whole month has been crazy. Or yeah, July has been crazy for these big moves down.
That makes sense. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Alfred. They're talking about that 2%. So the market's down 5%. So I guess apparently we can't trade if the market's down 5% or 2% or whatever percent, which is kind of crazy.
I wonder how that affects live accounts, like if you trade in personal capital.
Oh, kind of piggybacking off of what you said. Yeah, I mean, I was actually thinking about it this weekend. I know that Gainway talks about these simulated accounts a lot. I did do a little bit of research, and based on what I've seen, it may appear that we are actually trading in the live environments. Is that these prop firms are telling us that it's simulated? But over the weekend, I was thinking about all the volatility that we were experiencing. And then I thought to myself, hold up. Why the hell are we not getting filled in the sim? Why are we experiencing slippage? Like, if we're in a simulated environment, like for sure, we should not be experiencing any slippage no matter the volatility. It's the sim. You get filled at whatever level that you put your limit at, and you get out wherever you put your stop or target at in the sim. But we experience slippage when we trade. That just got me thinking, like, I think they're just telling us that we're in a simulated environment, but we're actually trading the freaking real market. Dang, Alfred says that live accounts are being charged full margin on the NQ. Yeah, for sure. You know, honestly, this looks like a breakout trade right here. If we can on the ES, if the bulls can break over this, if they break out, I would actually buy the pullback. If they break out here, I would buy the pullback. The Nasdaq does look like it still has a lot more room for upside. I think we're about to make a half of this recovery. I think we're getting to at least 140, and Smith said 120. Yeah, I'm thinking that 140, 120 range is definitely possible. You see that? Look at that. Man, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? I said I wanted to enter the position. Ah. I gotta trail my stop. I said I wanted to enter the position. No. That's not fair. It's not fair. All right, guys, I'm out. Oh, I'm not out yet. Your boy's still in it. Nah, I can't be greedy. I gotta at least put it underneath this candle. I gotta at least put it underneath this candle because they might try to fail here. Hey, again, as we stated before, there's people that pay for this type of shit and don't even catch moves even close to this. They don't even catch nothing close to this. Okay, so I'm good. Nah. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good with this. I'm good with this. I'm good with it. I'm good.
Said you gotta have 19K in the Nasdaq for one contract.
We're game weight at. We're game weight.
We ain't playing around with this.
Hit that target, baby. Hit that fucking target. Hit that target. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There we fucking go, baby. Good fucking trade. $2,200 today. I'm done in this account. I'm done. I'm masterclass, yo.
Congrats.
I'm happy for you. All right, so my original entry was around 140. So that was my original entry. And as y'all guys can see, I added to this position. Yeah, and it caught that, baby. All right, so
not
that's
fair.
done.
It's not fair.
$2,200 on $2,200, baby. All right. We get out at the top, baby. All right, so that's done. That's done. But shit, I'm pretty sure this thing gonna probably go up a little bit higher. Dude, man, look, when I say that the ES is so easy to trade, like I was waiting for this to break out what I was hoping for it to do. Where's my pen? Where's my pen at? Because I kind of want to talk about, why I took this position and why I need to kind of get out of that Nasdaq-esque trading style, because the ES, it gives you confirmation. Like it really does. It really does give you confirmation. So early this morning when I got in at 140, so I got in at 144. So this is what I was looking for. So I saw that the market was bottoming out. We saw this big consolidation area right here. And I was like, huh. So what I wanted to see was if the market broke out of this range, if we broke out and pulled back to right here, I was going to get in long because I know that I can put my stop right here. And so my risk to reward would be at the bottom of this candle, and I have all this potential reward to retest this high. And that's why I took this position originally. So once I saw all that bullish momentum, I was thinking, I think I had like 2 runners left. And I was like, well, if it pulls back and I see more consolidation, I'm going to re-enter at that breakout and pullback. And once I saw that breakout and pullback, I re-entered here. I captured this entire move. Or was that just the big pump? Actually, let me make sure that I'm saying this right. Yeah, okay. So I caught this pump, I caught that one, and I think I added one more position here. I think I did. I think I added one more, and I was thinking, well, I think we're trying to at least get to around VWAP. I think that's where we're at least trying to get to. And this move right here. So when I was like, if we can get a pullback, I was going to get in long. So again, all I was looking for was that consolidation. I wanted that breakout and I wanted a retest. That's what I was waiting for. But obviously we didn't get that. And we saw this massive run up, massive run up. So I think this is might be the turn. It may be the turn because of how, because we're like three legs up, I think, right now. Let me actually look at that. I think we're 3 legs up on the ES, or probably like 5 or something.
There are no, well, I guess, now that Alfred said that, that makes sense. Let me just chime in real quick. On Bookmap, there's hardly any orders on the book because only big money can trade right now.
Yeah, I know, and all the sim accounts.
Oh, retail is like, no, fixing the move.
It's
Like,
not
yeah.
fair. We are 5 legs up, people. We are 5 legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th leg. The market usually only go in threes, and we're 5 legs up. 5 legs up. I think this is the turn right here. But yeah, that's crazy though. Yeah, you talking about a live account. You wouldn't even be able to put a damn micro contract on right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what's that? Let me look. Let me look. I want to see what the rules are for micro contracts too. They probably want you to have the let's see. What's the day margin for? Yeah, they probably want you to have the full. So for micros, it's 2178
2178.
on trade. Yeah, on Trade of 8, they want you to have that much margin. But I know NQ is like 19K. I wonder if they raise. I mean, they can also. It's at their discretion. Yeah, they raised it because usually it's like 19K.
Mm-hmm.
They raised it to 21,780. That's wild.
Yeah, today was definitely one of those days.
Only big money day, baby.
Yeah, the banks can only play today.
I know, right?
Maui. No, I don't think so. No, not this big move down.
So
Yeah, Maui asked if we were gonna get a gap fill today. No, I doubt that we get it above this high at 280. I doubt it. I doubt that we get it past 260. If I'm gonna be completely honest, we almost got to 260. We're 6 points away, and they dumped it. So, I mean, if we do see some sort of retracement, I think 260 might be the high. Possibly 270. But we ain't getting past this high. Not no 270. Not no 280. We not. Unless we see some mean price action.
Yeah, it isn't a steady uptrend. If it breaks this uptrend, though, I think. But I'm looking. The charts look. Yeah, this mess is steady. This mess has been steady since 7:30 on it. Well, I would not. I'd say like right before 8 o'clock, or at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, we're definitely. It looks like they're about to fail here at this 21. If they fail at the 21 and they fail at the 50, we can possibly see a retest of about about 160, 150-ish. We can see a retest of this area. We could. Because I see this big range right here. I mean, I see this range. I see where the market is coming back into this range right here. It's coming back into it. We got a sweep of this liquidity above this high right here. I mean, you can see that once they swept that liquidity, that's where we were seeing this move down. So, I mean, if they don't hold the bottom of this, range, I mean, we're going further. We could, like I said, 150, 160-ish for sure. And if they don't fail to hold, we can get a double bottom. But if we do get a double bottom at 119, I'll look for another long there, but I'm done trading for today. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be greedy today. I'm just going to get in the sim. And that was a good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Were you able to get into anything, Smith?
No, I'm in the sim.
Are you into some today?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, dude, we might not see that gap for. I mean, we have Nvidia earnings. I think is it the end of the month? We have Nvidia earnings at the end of the month. We need Nvidia to save the market yet again. Yet again.
Yet again.
What did Bernie Sanders says? We're asking for your support yet again. The market is asking Nvidia yet again to save the market. Nvidia, please. Uh, Earning whispers.
Yet again.
Oh, yo, that grandma meme. Kind of going back to the guy that bought the 700K in Intel and lost 20% in one day, and I'm pretty sure it's still going down. Oh man, yo, that meme, that grandma meme is so perfect. I like, dude, that meme is perfect. Yeah, Intel went down another $2, $2 to $3. The low that it reached today was around $19.30. Let's see if we can find that grandma meme because that shit is so perfect. It is perfect. That is a perfect freaking meme, man. Perfect meme.
Oh, how is super microcomputer? Because I think they got earnings tomorrow. Say
You said who?
super microcomputer. They're like strategic partners with Nvidia, basically for their servers.
Mm-hmm.
And they're like right next to each other.
Yeah, I was actually going to look at that tomorrow because we all know that depending on what uh, their earnings are, we know that the market is going to dump based off of this. Yo, you can't get a more perfect meme than this. Yo, this is so funny with the context. It says your nana in heaven watching you lose your entire inheritance and Intel stock. This is a perfect. Oh my God, I was laughing at this meme this entire weekend, man. This meme is funny. This is a perfect meme in my opinion, along with the context. It is perfect. It's simple yet powerful meme. It's so funny. And I guess you were right, Smith, that 120. I mean, dude, you got it, man. You know what the hell you're doing, bro. You got it. It's just
I
the
saw that.
execution. Yeah. It's just,
Yeah, I saw that.
dude, it's like, man, it's maybe you're just like out of tune with your execution because I find myself asking myself the same question. How the hell that you know what you need to do, but then your execution doesn't reflect what you know that you need to do. Like, you called that thing, man. You called it. Nobody can take that away from me. I was thinking more 130, 140, but your call out was more closer at 118, 120.
8 points away, 8 points off. Because I got it drawn out on my chart from like the past when we were down here, and obviously the stuff still be respecting past levels.
Yeah, it does, man. I've learned that the market, I mean, don't ever psych yourself out and tell yourself that, oh, it's been 10 years since we touched this level. The market always remembers, man.
Yeah, they remember.
The markets remember. I mean, look at this higher time frame chart. I mean, sometimes I use levels from May that be hitting, may be hitting, levels from May be hitting. So don't ever think that if looking to the left a couple of years does not work because I've seen it and utilized it myself. It does work. It does. If I can find a good example of that, the market used a support area all the way in June for July. So don't ever think that looking to the left is not an important data for future price action. But the Bears can try on this one, or not the Bears, the Bulls can try, but I think the Bears got this. I think if we do see VWAP again, we may actually see a rejection. I mean, the Bulls are definitely going to have to break over the VWAP at 230, but I highly doubt that they'll do it, especially with this breakdown. You got to break a structure, you got that retest, and now we're seeing the market move lower. Yeah, I don't think the Bulls got this no more. All the late buyers are going to get used as liquidity, unfortunately. Let's see if Earning Whispers. Yep. All right, so they got the earnings for this week. I'm going to put it on the stream. All right, so yeah, we got super microcomputers, so we're definitely going to have to really, really pay attention to their earnings. We really got to pay attention to super microcomputers.
Yeah, because they're strategically partnered with NVIDIA, so that'll be kind of telling how their numbers are. NVIDIA, if they're good, then NVIDIA is probably going to smash, and like you said, save the market yet again.
The market is asking you to save it yet again.
the leather jacket gonna come out.
And I have two jackets on. It's gonna have two jackets.
What did he say? That $3 trillion energy.
That BDE energy.
BDE energy. Too funny. Yeah, pre-market, I was looking at all these stocks. I was like, damn, NVIDIA's like sub 100. It was like $92. I was like, dang.
See, I told you. And look, man, I told you NVIDIA's going to get to 92. That's why I'm actually going to start. I'm going to probably give it one more day, and I'm going to probably buy some NVIDIA stocks. I told you, wait till like to 90. NVIDIA is getting to 90. I just knew it was. And here we are. Are you going to pick up some shares? I'm picking me some shares. I'll probably pick up like maybe 5 or something. I should already bounce that. Oh, I already bounced already at 90. Damn it. Oh, yeah, I bounced at 90 already.
I just looked at it. It was 90.69.
Gonna probably bounce. Hopefully we get a double bottom, because I think 90 might be the lowest that the market would allow NVIDIA to go. It'll probably be 90. I don't think it'll go any lower than 90. Actually, let me show you what I'm talking about and why I was waiting for 90 in the first place. Because I mean, I called it out, but I never really explained why, and it bounced right at 90. So obviously, I use technical analysis for all my trades, obviously. So what I was looking at, and the reason why I said wait for 90 when they had the stock split, was because of this area right here. We can see that we have this area right. Oh, damn, where's my pen at? So we had this break, this bullish move up. We had this breaker structure, and we had this pullback, and this pullback turned into a small range. So that's why my focus was in this area somewhere. 90 was going to be my lowest at, and I was going to buy at 90. And if it went any lower, the next level that I was going to buy in would probably be like 75. But I didn't think the market was going to let it pass 90. Not with this breakout. And this is the first time where it retested that area. Nah. So once the market came right back into this area, we saw this massive move up. That tells me that there is enough buyers here to create this massive move to the upside. So once we come back down here, I know that there's going to be resting orders here. I can buy my shares and I can ride this thing up. However, I missed the 90 entry. So now either I'm gonna have to wait until it gets down back into this 90 area to buy some more, or to buy some, or I just missed the move. I mean, I'm not a stock guy. I mean, I'm not a stocks guy, so I'm not emotionally attached to stocks. Honestly, what I should start doing is probably have like a stock channel and do that, because I'm not emotionally tied to it. I'll tell you how it is. I'm not going to be biased on stocks. But yeah, I think I might actually do that. I should do that.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Should do that. But yeah, this actually might, yeah, the market's not gonna let the market Nvidia go past 90 for real. That's just gonna get bought up. And we can probably get a retest and a breakout of this high at 150. So you can almost double your investment once we get a breakout out of these highs. Because we know we're gonna break out of it. We know that with Nvidia. So we know this. Yeah, so if you're in this long, please get out. The market is about to form a two-legged pullback, and I already see it. Please get out if you're long. We got this big move up. We got this break. You can see they rejected it right at VWAP. And that's the first leg, and it's preparing for that second leg down. So somewhere probably, like I said, 160, 150 might be the area where we see a bounce. Yeah, that's just going, well, no, that's getting rejected, man. That's getting get rejected. Where is it at on the Nasdaq? I guess what I should have said was be mindful if you're still long. Just be mindful that it does look like it's about to form you got this one big down, this one leg down, and this is like a bear flag. So just be mindful. We got this leg down, and we got this move up, which forms a bear flag. So if we do get a break below this area, we can expect something like that. So let me correct what I said earlier. Just be mindful.
One thing is big money's trying to buy the dips.
Actually, what I will do though, I'm getting in the sim. I'm actually going to take this short because this is definitely a short. It's highly likely a short. And I'm taking it. I'm taking the short. I'm in the sim, everybody. I'm not in a real account. I'm in the sim. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Your boy get on the charts. Already making money in the Nasdaq, baby. All right, so what I want to get this move all the way back down here. Sell that thing, baby. Sell it. Sell it. Your boy up 60 points in the Nas, baby. 60 points in the Nas. All right. All right, so I got one more runner contract. Caught that 60-point move. Yo, congratulations though on that short 100-point share. So let's see where the Nasdaq can go because I want to let this contract run. I'm gonna probably run it back to VWAP here on the Nasdaq. Or actually, I was about to say they actually might bounce it here. Let me see. Dang, that was like a 30-point dead cat bounce. Oh crap! I just noticed that. So kind of going back to what you said earlier, Smith, or what we talked about. If you look at my well, I guess you are looking at it. You see this trend line? Yo, this thing is still respecting that trend channel from last week. It is still respecting that trend channel from last week. Yo. All right, so I mean, I know I say that don't let nobody ever convince you that chart geometry does not work, but dude, look at this. From last week on August 1st, the market is rejecting the trend channel from August 1st, or rejected at that trend channel from August 1st. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? It rejected right at it perfectly. Perfectly. Okay, so I got stopped out of this one. Hmm. Okay, I see what happened. I'm gonna add to this position. I'm adding to it because I saw, honestly, what I would want. I'm actually gonna put this back up here, but yeah, I'm gonna add to this position. Ah, shit. Ah, crap. Ah. Never mind. Like I said, I probably should have just waited for that pullback. I was a bit too early on that first one. Or, okay, so I wouldn't say that I was too early on that first one. What I saw was that they were going to fail, but the Bulls just straight said, nah, we're coming back. Ah, crap, crap, crap. Give me my goddamn target. Don't do this. Don't do it. All right, so yeah, I'm more confident. The market is definitely gonna go down. I mean, unless they hold this range, because right now the market is kind of traded in this range. So, I mean, unless the market holds this big giant range that it's trading in, we're definitely gonna get some more downside because uh we got this failure for the bulls to go up higher. You know, they swept the liquidity right here. We had this massive drop. And so when I originally went short here, what I was looking for was I thought that they was going to continue to push it down, but it looks like they wanted to sweep the liquidity above this high right here. So once I saw they swept the liquidity above this high, that's why I re-entered short, and we got this big move down. And if I'm looking at the charts, let me clear this out. If I'm looking at the charts, I'm thinking that we can at least get the VWAP and possibly back down to 700. I think we can possibly get back down to 700 if we can break this low. I think we can get back down to 700. Or 750 is probably going to be 750 is, well, let's say 767 will probably be more likely. So I'm going to put this down right here at VWAP, and I'm going to leave a runner down here down at 777. Actually, just make this full sevens. Let's make that full sevens. Why not? Why not? Make it cute for the stream, I guess. There we go. That's cute. All right. Now, so Alfred, now, yeah, the reason why we're gonna see this dump is because we had this break of structure. The Bulls failed to take it higher. They had a break. This was that other shoulder, and we saw the sell. Now, I'm thinking that we can at least get to this bottom. But what I'm betting on is that they're gonna get down to VWAP, and we might see a retracement at VWAP, kind of back up into this area at 915. But we're definitely going down. All right, so they're trying to buy it here at this double bottom. If they fail and they get to VWAP, then I'll be a happy person. Damn.
Trying to smack that. Dang. Yeah, these are wild, wild candles today, man.
Yeah.
Like each 5 minute candle averages out to like 100 points. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Dude, if you survive today, like, man, the day is not going to get any crazier than today. It's not getting any crazier than today. Like right now, if I took this trade in the so I'm basically up again like 4 or 5K today. 22 in the eval, about 1800 in the damn sim. All traded micro contracts, yo. Don't let nobody say that micros can't make money. Hey, you know what? Yo, what if I beat my 500-point record today, yo? And dude, if I got in short at the damn pre-market, I would have damn beat that damn thing. 1,000-point drop. Can you like, dude? Was you expecting that 1,000-point drop early in the session in the pre-market?
Heck.
Okay. All right. So if I see something, this could be the well, not a. This could be the flip. If I see what I need to see, I mean, it's not set up for it to bounce. Now we did get a break of structure here, but we have all the EMAs above price, so we could see a retracement. But I'll be looking for the market to reject that 950 if we do see a move back up to about 950. Oh yeah, so yo, if we break this, yeah, we definitely seeing VWAP. I think the market wants VWAP. What do you think?
I mean, it's close.
It should get it, right?
Yeah, but looks
That's
like a triple bottom on here because this is this area that where the bulls is coming in buying,
mm-hmm.
at least on the Nas. But it does look like it's about to break.
And then we got another channel going lower. So honestly, what I should do is actually put it at the bottom of this trend line. That's what I'm gonna do. Put it at the bottom of the trend line. Ah, shit. Mm. Oh, okay. All right. I do see it. And the Bulls are trying here. All right. So if we do, well, no, no, that's still going down. That's still going down. That's still going down. Still going down. Okay. All right. That 950 level is going to be the moment of truth. It's going to be the moment of truth for the Bulls. They got to break it. They got to break it because if they don't, oh crap, they got to break it. Okay. Yeah, it's going up. All right. Okay. And so if you want to get into this long, I will wait for a retest of 915 if the Nasdaq gives it to you. That's what I will wait for. Yeah, if we get a break of this high right here, it's definitely going up. We get that break. Okay. And yeah, you were right, Alfred. You were absolutely right. Overall, this thing did pump. All right, so let's see. Sell that thing right back down. Sell that right back down. And I'm going to put this stop right above, all right, have it all come off right here. Have it all come off right there. So now I can have some more targets. If this thing will stop hijacking my targets. All right, so I think I had this thing like right here. I think I made a mistake. Actually, I think I might have drawn this wrong. So okay, so trend channel. Yeah. Yeah. Now we may no. Mhm. And the markets is still respecting these golden zones, bro. They're still respecting the golden zones. Okay. All right. I'm out on that one. Hold on. How am I still in this? Okay. Hold on. What's going on? How am I in that? Hold on. How am I in that? How was I in there short? Whatever. It was in the sim. It don't matter. It don't matter. It was in the sim. But man, that's kind of annoying. But all right. Yeah. All right. Mm. All right. Ah, shit. So if the yeah. So the ES bounced around 180. So the ES bounced around 180. Oh yeah, and I kind of apologize about this. It's been a while since we've been down here, so I don't have my I don't have my structure down here. I'm gonna clean this chart up after the stream, but I don't have anything set up since we haven't been in this area in such a long time. All right, so let me see what it's done. So we do have a two-legged pullback right here. It got a retest of that high, and we're starting to see the bulls fail to take it higher. But we know that on the Nasdaq, if the Nasdaq is not falling, the ES ain't gonna fall by itself. And it's still getting rejected here at this trend line, this trend channel. Still getting rejected here. Okay. All right, so let's see. So we got this break, we got this retest. Let's go. Wow, okay, I didn't mean to do that there. I didn't mean to do that there. I mean, shit, we might actually get it this time. Might actually get it. Don't be showing me that. Don't be showing me that.
I'm about to go downstairs. She still ain't pooped or peed or nothing yet, so I get her some Cheerios, and when I come back up, we get off too.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this actually might be. All right. So I kind of want to see how this candle closes. I kind of want to see how this candle closes because I think that it's it. So a lot of things happen. So this could be. And there's obviously buyers here. What I don't want to do is get caught. I don't want to do is get caught because I'm looking at this might be a failure to take it higher because we got this break of structure. They're coming back to rebalance and sweep liquidity. I'm going to try for a short here, but this short might get, I might be a little bit too early on it. Okay, I figured I might be too early on it. Okay, so yeah, this might have been too early on the short. Hmm. Okay. The bull said they're not going to get us out without a fight. So if I can get in at a limit right here, damn it. Okay. All right. A little bit too early on it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right, NQ. All right. All right. All right. Okay. All right. All right, I guess that's enough gambling for today. Hmm. All right. So we got that move up. Okay, so 188. So that was about like a 40-point move. I mean, it does look like the market wants to go up now. I mean, all right, so currently we got this range right here. We got this range. All right, so we had the market break out. It came back in. It failed to take it higher. We have a sweep of liquidity underneath this range. It came back in, and now it's right there. So, all right. Um, hmm. I mean, I think that's about it for the ES. I think that might be it in terms of up, 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 up. Let me look at it first and see if I can get the most maximum profits from this move. Huh. So we got that pump. Huh. So we got that pullback. I mean, they can at least we can see at least one taking off at 32. We can at least see that. And I think we can get all the way. Well, there it goes. Uh, hmm. Huh. So can we at least see? Can we at least see a retest of this high? Can we at least see a retest of this high? Because I mean, I know that we can at least get this. I don't know what they're really trying to do though. I mean, are the bears gonna come in? Because I mean, this is probably okay. So this is what I was kind of looking at. I mean, we do have this breaker structure right here. I mean, from here, this is where that failure happened. We had that pullback. I mean, you kind of see. I mean, this is kind of a two-legged pullback back into this area. So we could see this. We could see that. But if the bulls can hold this area off, we can at least see a retest of that high. At least a retest or close to it. Hmm. 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 And if you look at the higher time frame chart or the medium time frame chart, so the medium time frame chart, I mean, technically price is somewhat still, so is broken out of this downward trend. So we saw a break out of this trend earlier today, but maybe we can make this a little bit wider. Yeah, I think that probably looks a little bit better. Yeah, that's probably the trend right there. Because actually, let me actually fix this real quick. Let me fix this because I'm anchored it off the wrong point. I mean, technically, are we still we're kind of still in this downward trend? All right, so we got to break out of it, and now price is in a hidden trend channel down because they broke out of it, and now they're creating a new trend down. We're gonna probably need some more information on this one, but that's definitely a trend break. Okay, so I got stopped out of this one. All right, I think that's it for me today. Smith, you still on the mic? You still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the stream at 10 o'clock today. Like I said, I think I'm about done today.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like I said, I'm just watching today. See this crazy price action.
Yeah, I mean, damn. That's the one thing that I was definitely working on, or not working on, but being mindful of during the weekend. You just gotta have to trade the price action. Those greedy targets. I mean, sometimes they get hit, but 9 times out of 10, the market is not going to push past certain areas without certain reactions because the market is efficient, regardless of what people that don't really understand how to play this game tell you. The markets are not random. They are not. What makes a market random is our emotions. But the market is definitely efficient and it moves in a structured way. I was trying to catch this goddamn short on the Nasdaq, but the bulls kept coming back in. And then it finally shorts when I said fine. Shit, fine. Fine. Finally comes back in short.
Works. You're right, though. It is efficient.
Yeah, the market is definitely efficient, man. It does the same shit in different ways every day. The same shit in different ways every day, man. It does not change. Well, let's see if we can get this sim back. Let's see if we can get it back. I mean, we got this big move down. Let me look at it real quick. So, I mean, we got this big move down. We're kind of at this right shoulder. I think, let's see. Let's see if we can get a quick pump up. Let's see. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, so there's definitely a lot of high volatility today because uh, when I entered into this position long, you can see that it took time for it to fill. And this isn't the sim. This is the sim. This is not a prop firm sim. This is my NinjaTrader 8 sim. So even the sim is experiencing a little lag, which is interesting and crazy. Dude, there's no. Okay. All right. Okay. Freaking Nasdaq. So how'd you do in the sim today, man?
Kind of mixed.
Mixed.
Yeah, I think I'm like break even.
Forgiven. That might have been a flush. That might have been. Let me see if
Did we finally get back to VWAP on the NQ?
No, it never touched it. It never
No, I'm
touched it.
saying it with this move here now.
I think so. I mean, unless they do stuff like this.
They could. This low down here was where bulls came in previously, around like 870-ish in this range.
Yeah. If we can definitely get a break of it, we can definitely see low prices because I don't think the market is going to hold for a fourth time. I mean, if the bears got it down here for a fourth time, we're going down lower for sure. Unless they come back down here to refill some orders. Oh, NQ, please don't do this. Don't do it. Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. It's super crazy.
Yeah, I think so. I think this thing, the math is not right. There's no reason why I should lose $1,400. I mean, I kind of did move my stop on that last one, but I shouldn't lose no more than $400 per trade for the most part. Dude, okay. I mean, I guess I could try for a long one more time. Wow. All right, so if the bears fail to take it down again, all right, so I guess what I'm looking for, I mean, if the bulls can take it higher again, they can get much higher from here. I mean, where can it go? Because obviously they're dipping back into this area to fill in whatever orders that they're leaving behind. Because I think the way that this market is moving is going back and forth in a range. I'm making the assumption that once we move away from this area, we might not see this area for a while. I think that's what's probably happening right now. Because there's a lot of consolidation, there's a lot of exchange, and right now retail is not in the way of these banks, so they're just exchanging contracts between each other. At least that's what it appears like.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the big players is what I should say, because like I said, you need a lot of money to be in the markets right now, well, in the futures market. Or a prop firm account. Yeah, there's a hell of a lot of volatility in the Nasdaq, but we definitely will trade through it. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can get above these highs. One, two, three, four. All right, so I got 6 contracts on right now. All right, so the bulls are definitely buying this. We do see a super liquidity right here, so we could see a move down, but they're buying this thing right up. Like they're not really letting it go down anymore. I mean, they're selling it, but I mean, it's quickly getting bought up. So we'll see. We'll see if they actually kind of hold this area. Let's see how it closes. That's not necessarily a close I want to see, but the Nasdaq, anything is possible. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Keep on pumping. Or don't break my heart, NQ. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. All right. So now my ego is vindicated. I was not about to end the stream with my sim red. I was not about to do that. I was like, nah, we don't end the stream with a red account. We don't do that. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We get our money back. For sure. There we freaking go, baby. There we go.
Swings are wild.
Yeah, no, man. And this is why, like, the reason why I flipped long was because of this price action, because of this breakout, this retest of this 21 EMA. We had the EMA sloped up, so that's why I took the bet on the long. It's just price action, man. I don't pay attention to anything else except price action. That's why one-way markets are usually my bad days, my worst days, because obviously the price action don't really work on one-way markets. But if we're trading back and forth, I can definitely use the clues that the market is giving me to determine which direction the market wants to trade into. I'm thinking we're back, baby. I'm thinking we're freaking back. I'm thinking we're back. I'm thinking we're back, baby. I'm thinking we're back. See if we can get a move all the way back up into this freaking range. 100-point Sherm, baby. 100-point Sherm. Yo, if we get this move all the way back up to 390, yo, this market is definitely crazy, man. If we get a move back all the way up there, because now we could see 180. We definitely could see 180 on the Nasdaq. So let me actually put that up there. We could see 180 on the Nasdaq, yo. But what I do want to do is actually take shit. Okay, so I took that off. So now I got a runner. Put this into profit. All right. You just gotta let it ride, baby. Crazy price action, man. Crazy price action. All right, so we got that. I mean, the ES did get to that 240 area. We are seeing a rejection in that area. Man, if they can hold it here at 230, we could see the market continue to move up on the ES. We could see it, especially if they can come back in. I mean, why not? Well, like, why wouldn't they be able to hold up the 21 and VWAP sitting right here at 228? Why wouldn't it be able to hold that up? And then 220 would be my last line of defense for the bulls to hold up. They would need to hold up here, or they would need to hold up 120 on the ES. No, that's too big of a candle. Oh, that's too big of a candle. That's too big. That's too big of a candle, man. That's too big. That's too big. I can get back in here. Even, I mean, this is still too big of a candle. Dang, it jumped my order in the sim. Like, what the fuck is going on? All right. All right, so there it is. There it is. I got jumped in the sim, bro. I love this type of volatility, man. This is the type of volatility that we fucking live for, baby. This is what we live for. This is what we live for. Damn, look at this move, man. Yo, like I said, we might be going to 280, man. I mean, the 180. We might be going further than that. Man, yo, we make this forward trace, man. You know, I can't cheat myself out of that. I can't cheat myself out of that.
Uh-oh.
What are you saying? Uh-oh for? Because what I'm doing?
Is Greedy Sherm coming back?
Oh, he said the words, cheat himself out of it. He deserves. That's the indication. Greedy Sherm is out. All right. Today was some good fucking trading today, man. Great trading. Great fucking trading today, man. All right, so yeah, I think 190 might be that level for the ES. I mean, not the ES, the Nasdaq. 180. Did we touch 180? No, we haven't touched it yet. So I think we might be touching 180, 190-ish. And that's probably what the market wants to do before we see a rejection. We got the 23% at 210. If you look at the higher time frame chart, and if you look at the higher time frame, I mean, we do got this consolidation here at 209, so I wouldn't be surprised. Yo, if we fill that gap at 4, man, look, man. Yo, I'm just gonna leave this here. We filling this gap. We might fill that gap, bro. That would be absolutely crazy if we fill that gap, though.
He said, I'm gonna just leave this here. Walk away. Where's the gap at?
The gap, I mean, I doubt it, bro. Is that so? The gap starts at about. Let me get my. Let me actually get into the other chart. So we opened at 394. So that's the bottom of the gap is 394. The top of the gap, though. Let me look at that. The top of the gap is at 501. So I mean, I doubt that we'll get that gap filled today. But we could, which is absolutely crazy. We could get that gap filled today. And if we don't get it today, we're definitely getting it tomorrow. You said what?
I said that would be sick.
Yeah,
Nasty
it
work.
would be. Okay. Oh yeah, that was definitely some good trading today, man. Definitely some fucking good trading. Good trading today. All right, man. I'm about to end the stream here. You got anything, Smith? Anything you want to leave? I'm about to end it here. I'm about to get ready for my meeting.
Nah, man, I got nothing. I'm just, like I said, just watching today, trading the sim. See how it's already been some crazy price action today. Like
Mhm.
a lot of that range that you were talking about, a lot of back and forth, but getting this pump, I wonder if it's going to sustain all day. You know,
Yeah.
we know we got them reversal times like 10:30 here, like 10:30, 11:30, 12, 12:30.
Mhm.
Be interesting to see if they keep this up.
Yeah, that's why I got that runner. I mean, this is the sim. This is a trade I took in the sim, so it's not like I lose anything. This would be definitely an ego trade for me. Definitely an ego trade. But I don't lose anything if it doesn't hit my target today. So all right, guys, we'll do this again tomorrow. We appreciate you guys joining, and yeah, peace out.
Peace.